If you are planning a trip to Iguazu Falls in Brazil, one thing you need to realize is that it actually may be cheaper for you to fly into Paraguay and get a bus from Paraguay to Foz do Iguaçu to go and see the falls. It is certainly worth checking Skyscanner, and I have put a link below in the description and the comment section to the Skyscanner site. Do check the flights and do see if it is cheaper to get to Asuncion first and then take the bus down to Iguazu Falls, or it may be cheaper to fly into Sao Paulo and then getting another connecting flight to Iguazu Falls. It depends. You're going to have to check using Skyscanner. But in terms of how you get from Asuncion, Paraguay to Iguazu Falls, I'm going to go through that in this video. So let's say that you've booked your flights and you've landed in Asuncion. You're probably going to have to stay in Asuncion for one night. However, you may wish to stay there for a few more days just to check out the city, but you don't necessarily have to. It's not a major tourist city, so you can just stay one night there. And then you're going to log onto Google and type in NSA Paraguay. NSA is the bus company that runs from Asuncion to the town of Foz do Iguaçu, where the Iguazu Falls is. And again, just to emphasize, you are going to type in that you want to go to Foz do Iguaçu. That's the town that you want to go to. At the time of recording, they run 2 buses to Foz do Iguaçu. So there's one at 15 minutes past midnight leaving Asuncion, and there's one at 7:30 in the morning leaving Asuncion to get to Foz do Iguaçu. The NSA buses leave Asuncion at the main Terminal de Omnibus in the city. This is where it's located. Make sure you get an Uber down there. Uber is safe. It's cheap, it's affordable to use in Asuncion. Now, when you go to book your seats on the NSA bus, you'll notice that there are 2 floors. There's a bottom floor and then there's a top floor. On the bottom floor, they are the seats 45 to 59. These seats are the big comfy seats, and these seats will cost you an extra 20,000 Paraguayan Guarani. 20,000 Paraguayan Guarani is about $2.50. So if you can get one of the bottom floor seats, I definitely think it's worth it. That's what I did. Especially if you are tired or if you've had a long flight. The top tier seats will be more uncomfortable than the bottom tier seats. Now, when you go in to fill in your information on the NSA bus website, they will ask you to provide ID. You can enter in your passport number by selecting the Passporte option. However, one thing to note is that you are required to provide your telephone number and your nationality before you do check out to purchase your tickets. Now, when I was booking my bus, there was no option to add in a British nationality or a British telephone number. So if you are from certain countries, you may not be able to book the bus using the website. So what you may have to do is you may have to contact them on WhatsApp. When you go onto the NSA website, you will see a little WhatsApp icon. Click onto that. You will get an automated message in Spanish. If you can't speak Spanish, just copy and paste the message into Google Translate. And then when you follow the instructions, a real person will finally jump onto the chat and will be able to book your bus tickets for you. They'll ask you a load of questions: your name, telephone number, email address, etc, etc, etc. They will then send you a PayPal link and you will pay them via PayPal. And once you've done that, they'll email you and confirm your ticket. Again, these human operators do not speak in English, so you will need to use Spanish. So again, you can use Google Translate. And then when you're on your bus on your way to Brazil, end up in the town of Foz do Iguaçu, I recommend that you stay there for a couple of nights, one day to see the falls and one day also just to explore the town, because there are some interesting things that you can do in the town of Foz do Iguaçu itself. But if you do want more information on how you actually get from the town centre of Foz do Iguaçu over to the Iguazu Falls, long story short, take an Uber. But if you do want more information, go to my video here. This video explains how you get from the town to the falls. If you can't find it, just go to my channel homepage, go to my Iguazu Falls playlist. You will find the video in there. Now, if you are looking for more information about Foz do Iguaçu itself, where to stay, is it safe, what things you can get up to, do stay tuned, because I am going to make a video in the next few days all about Foz do Iguaçu, what to do, where to stay, is it safe. So make sure you do subscribe to see that video, and also do check out the comment section and the description as well. I do have some links and some deals that you may be interested in. So for example, the top link is a link to where you can start a side hustle to make some money to fund your travels. It is a side hustle that I use to make money, and it genuinely does work. And if you do use that link below, you do get a free £25 using that link in the description or the comment section. You can also get yourself some travel insurance insurance, I highly recommend this travel insurance provider here. They have really affordable plans, and you can also see a link there to where you can sign up to get a Spanish tutor to help you out learn some Spanish before you do come to South America. You can also purchase luggage, suitcases, and of course a VPN. I highly recommend Surfshark VPN. The link is below in the description. They're currently offering a big deal. A VPN allows you to change your virtual location to anywhere around the world, and it does help protect your devices from hackers and malware, so do check out that link below. Now, I do hope that you have found today's video useful, interesting, and helpful. If you have, do remember to click the like button. It really does help out the channel. Click the notification bell so you get notified for my next videos, and also subscribe for more travel content. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.